Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. Rhubarb is green and pink. That's the difference. With the advent of spring, every mistress likes to cook a dish that contains many vitamins and minerals. But often the question arises, what to cook? Rhubarb is the best way to dilute your daily meals with new flavors and sensations. And you knew that there are different kinds of rhubarb and they differ not only in their color. Rhubarb, which usually grows in a cottage with pink endings. This kind of vegetable is used to make desserts. Try to please your husband with a biscuit with rhubarb. You will not believe, but he will remember the sweet-sour taste of a fine dessert for a long time. But there is also a green rhubarb. Most often it is used to make various soups, in which very little rhubarb is added. Also a good combination is the rhubarb salad. Usually it is added very little. For most people is the discovery that with a pink rhubarb you can cook even homemade ice cream. A wonderful compote of rhubarb will also become a wonderful cooling drink for your summer evenings. So, if you buy rhubarb in the market, do not forget to look at the color, so as not to cook a delicious soup from a pink sweet rhubarb. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.